Hello everybody, this is another Super Geeks production. Today what we're going to do is do some SSL sniffing with Ettercap and SSL sniff, Arpspoof, and we're going to have to change a couple of proc sys files. First thing you need to do, start your network. And you need to connect to a network. Connected. Then what you need to do is open Ettercap. But don't click on anything yet, leave it up. Next thing I want you to do, just type in echo 1 and then the rest of the text. Just do that, press enter. Then I want you to do IP tables, NAT, pre-routing, -P, TCP is the protocol, -- destination port will be the port we're going to strip from SSL text mode, -J redirect to port on our machine 10,000. Next thing you need to do is you're going to have to Arpspoof your address resolution protocol for the attacked or victim. To his NAT will start to think that your IP address is the router's along with the MAC, so you will start to receive all the information in the middle. So in order to do this, it would be smart to run an nmap against the subnet that you're on, see what ports are open. Let's do this. As you can see, I'm connected to a couple of computers on some subnet, and we have a couple of nodes available. So what we're going to do now is bypass the page where the invalid certificate would view itself on the victim through SSL stripping. This will enable us to receive more passwords more promiscuously. So I'm going to pick this address, let's say 104. I want to Arpspoof this, so I'm going to do Arpspoof -I interface -T node, then what you want it to look like, which would be the router 101.1. Anyway, press enter. You'll get some replies saying that your IP and MAC are now the IP of the router, the default gateway that you're on. Since you have successfully done that, you will not have any problems achieving passwords promiscuously without a certification error. I want you to scan for hosts and go to the host list. Well, I'm going to open up this again. For some reason my host didn't pop up. Unified sniffing, WLAN O. That's who I'm on right now. It's my interface. Scan for hosts. Host list, I want you to put the default gateway on target 2, and then all other targets, which are nodes or victims, on target 1. I want you to click on man in the middle, ARP poisoning, sniff remote, then click on plugins and manage plugins. Go to repoison ARP. This will repoison the ARP after every broadcast address expires. This is good for staying connected. Now I want you to start the sniff. Now what I'm going to do is go to a host computer that is on this default gateway subnet I am sniffing and type in a password. put ASD, ASDA, and ASD, ASD, ASD as the password and username. I'm going to click next. As you can see, I achieved the password and username in SSL stripping mode without the certificate being viewed on the victim computer. So, I would strongly recommend you using Ether8 for your tests. When you're done, of course, stop your ARP applies. Congratulations, you have now successfully used Ettercap to sniff SSL and TCP, UDP, and NetBIOS shares. This information should be used for informational purposes only. Supergeeks.com cannot be held liable for any maneuvers or tricks learned here.